Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. Today I'm going to show you this Independence Day special no makeup look. But before that, I just want to say you guys that please check my tribute to our Indian flag on Instagram. I have just posted. Links are going to be on the description box below. So without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. My CTM routine, primer part and color correcting part is completely done. Now I'm straightly going to the foundation and I'm using this Clinique Even Better Glow foundation in the shade Oat. I'm going to take some product back of my hand and I'm going to give dots. And now I'm going to use this brush to spread the foundation all over my face, just in a flicky motion like this. And now I'm going to grab this damp beauty blender. This is by Real Technique and I'm going to blend it out. And now I'm using a patting motion. Now I'm just going to leave this for a couple of minutes to set on my face properly. Then I will do my concealing. Now I'm going to conceal my under eye area, some on my nose bridge and my forehead and some around my mouth area as well. So I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to blend this out. Now I'm going to set my concealer part with the help of this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 203 Natural Buff. I'm taking some product on my brush and I'm just going to press that. Generally, I do not like to set my whole face with powder, but as I have told you before that I don't have AC on my studio and I do sweat a lot. So I will grab this big fluffy brush and take a little amount of powder and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I'm going to warm up my face and I'm going to use this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to be using this shade called Shadowplay. and taking some product on this brush and contouring my nose as well. Now it's time to add some blush on the cheeks, and I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette. I'm going to grab this shade. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrow and eye makeup, then I will do the highlighting part. Today I'm not going to use any brow pomade because this is a very natural kind of a look. So I'm going with eyebrow powder. So this is by L'Oreal. This is L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. First of all, I'm just brushing my eyebrows towards the upward motion. Just like this. If you don't have any eyebrow powder with you, so you can use any brown shade, which has to be matte obviously. And my eyebrows is sort of done. And now I'm going to give it a small lift. You can definitely skip this part. I just love to do, so I'm doing it. Take your favorite concealer and just clean the line. And blend. You can blend it with a beauty blender or with your finger as well, whatever you are comfortable with. That's all. My brow is totally done for today. And now I'm going to take the same concealer and I'm just going to use that little bit of my eyelid as my eye primer. You can skip that part if you have a normal kind of eyelid. My eyelid is kind of oily, so I need to set it. Yes, so I'm doing that. And now again I need to set it with a powder, so I'm taking that Maybelline powder. As I have told you that this is a no makeup kind of a look, Independence Day special, so I'm just going to grab this two beautiful shade. This is very neutral in color, so I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. Just like this. I need some more. Same goes for this eye as well. And now I'm going to take this warm orange kind of a shade, a little amount, and I'm going to apply that in the outer part like this. And again I'm going to use the both shade together. I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. Now take your favorite kajal and apply it. Now apply your favorite mascara. I'm using this Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama. It's time to add some glow now, but I have to add a very minimum of highlighter because this is a no makeup look, and I'm going to grab this Savannah Colors highlighter palette. And the same highlighter I'm applying on my eyebrow bone as well. for lip, I'm gonna be using this Nika lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. And I'm gonna be adding some gloss on top of it, and I'm gonna be using this Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade Princess Aurora. And I'm taking some product on my finger and just going to press. One thing I have missed, that is I'm just going to add little highlighter on my inner corner. The whole face makeup is done. Now I'm going to set it with my MAC Fix Plus. This is so refreshing. To complete the whole look, I'm going to put some jhumkas. This is so cute and pretty jhumka I have, and this is very lightweighted as well. And I'm gonna add a dupatta. Did the whole look. And also one thing is missing, that is bindi. So here is the Independence Day special no makeup look is totally completed. Please let me know in the comment section below you like this look or not. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will be updated whenever I do upload any of my videos. And I am also on Instagram. I have tried to give a tribute to our Indian flag. Links are going to be on the description box below, and I'm going to share my Facebook page detail as well over there. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch this. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.